Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Kibana login problems, index and permission errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Kibana, don't worry. Let's go through some steps to troubleshoot and fix index and permission errors. First, check the Kibana logs for any error messages. These logs are usually located in the logs directory of your Kibana installation. Look for any error entries that might provide clues about the login problem. Next, verify the Elasticsearch service is running properly. You can do this by accessing the Elasticsearch API through your web browser or a command line tool. Make sure the endpoint is responding without errors. If Elasticsearch is running, check if the correct index patterns are set up in Kibana. Improperly configured index patterns can lead to login issues. Navigate to the Management section in Kibana to confirm your index patterns. After that, review user roles and permissions. Ensure that the user trying to log in has the necessary permissions to access the indices. In Kibana, go to the security settings and review roles and assigned users. If permissions look correct, the next step is to check the Elasticsearch user database. Confirm that the user is properly defined and not locked or disabled. You can do this by querying the user API in Elasticsearch. If everything seems in order but you're still having issues, try resetting the password for the user. You can reset passwords using the Kibana interface or via Elasticsearch API commands. Once the password is reset, attempt to log in again. If you still encounter problems, consider reviewing your Kibana configuration file. Check the server settings, especially the Elasticsearch URL. Ensure it points to the correct Elasticsearch instance. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, consider reinstalling or upgrading Kibana. Make sure to back up your indices and configurations beforehand. After installation, revisit the setup process to ensure everything is in proper order. Following these steps should help you resolve most Kibana login problems related to index and permission errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.